Are you looking for the best brad nailers in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best brad nailers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Porter Cable 20V Max Cordless Brad Nailer Kit PCC 790 Low. Whether you're an avid DIYer or a professional woodworker, the Porter Cable 20V Max Cordless Brad Nailer Kit will work well for you. It's well built, reliable, versatile, and solid, but not too heavy that it's difficult to manage. It works smoothly and can help you take on a wide variety of woodworking, construction, and renovation projects. This is a well-built tool that's easy to maneuver and handle. It's battery-powered, which means that you won't have to wrangle an electrical cord or other implements like GAW cartridges or compressors. Not only is it much cheaper to operate, but it's also much more convenient. Simply make sure that the battery is charged to 100%, toggle the depth adjustment wheel, and fire away. Aside from its efficient design, this tool also boasts a variety of advantageous features. It comes with dual LED lights that can help make your workspace brighter and help you see what you're working on better. Furthermore, the stall release lever and jam release switch both have a tool-free operation, which makes the overall operation of the tool easier and more convenient. Once this tool is in your hand, you'll find that it's lightweight and well-balanced. It's powerful and reliable, but also easy to control and handle. Because it's easy to handle, you'll be a lot more comfortable and be a lot less likely to experience user fatigue. Thus, it allows you to be able to be more productive, regardless of what project you're working on. Up next in the 4th place is the BOSTITCH Smart Point Brad Nailer BTFP 12D233. From building furniture to working on finishing carpentry, the BOSTITCH Smart Point Brad Nailer can do them all. It's a highly reliable and maintenance-free tool that you can just pick up, turn on, and put down when you're done. Whatever woodworking project you've taken on, you can do the work more efficiently with this brad nailer. Power tools should be as easy and simple to use as possible. Operating this tool is highly convenient with its various tool-free mechanisms and ergonomic body design. You'll be able to have more control when working on different kinds of wood, which can allow you to have better precision and finer details in your work. Because this tool is versatile and built to be easy to use and maneuver, you can use it for a wide variety of applications. You can use it to securely install baseboards, paneling, and interior trim, as well as build furniture, cabinetry, and more. Whatever your project is, this tool can help you work more efficiently and eliminate a lot of smaller tasks that can take up time, including cleaning up oil stains or struggling with removing nails. Another thing that this tool can help you with is working with tight or awkward angles. Sometimes you'll have to install something behind a fixture, or you'll have to work while pressed up against a wall. This brad nailer can help you get into those difficult spots and securely fasten various materials without much hassle. The 3rd product on our list is the DEWALT Brad Nailer Kit DWFP 12E231. The DEWALT Brad Nailer Kit can hold its own whatever you use it for. In fact, it's good enough to be used by professionals when installing trim, building furniture, and doing detailed high-end work in general. While you can also use this if you're a DIYer or an amateur, it can also work well in professional settings. Built for durability, this tool can last for a long time and requires minimal maintenance. Furthermore, it has a durable, reliable, and powerful motor that doesn't need much care beyond the minimum measures you have to take to protect it from damage. Additionally, this brad nailer is designed for tool-free operation. If you need to remove nails, it has a tool-free jam release mechanism. If you want to adjust the depth setting, its depth of drive mechanism is also tool-free. You can thus efficiently and quickly make necessary adjustments cutting down on the time you take and allowing you to keep track of far fewer tools and implements. While you may find other brad nailers that cost less, you'll find that this one is well worth the price. It's a solid tool that's well built and easy to understand. You won't have to learn complicated and confusing controls, and a lot of features are intuitively usable. Ultimately, years down the line, you'll find that this tool works just as well as it did when you first took it out of the box. Second on our list is the CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Brad Nailer Kit CMCN 618C1. Working on extensive projects can be daunting, but the CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Brad Nailer Kit can help make any job a lot more manageable. It's a consistent performer with various features that improve the tool's efficiency, stability, and durability. With this tool, you'll get a reliable new addition to your toolbox. This brad nailer is fully cordless, which offers a range of advantages. One advantage is that you won't have to deal with gas cartridges, which can be expensive, or compressors and hoses. Furthermore, this tool can be much easier to maneuver and handle because you won't have to worry about making sure that its cord is plugged in or out of the way. You also won't need a nearby electrical socket to operate this tool. Regardless of what its power source is, this tool's motor proves to be powerful and reliable. You won't have to worry about the weather or what the temperature is wherever you are, because this tool has consistent firing power regardless of these conditions. This firing power also remains consistent regardless of the material you're working with. Whether you're putting decorative details on furniture or installing new trim for a big renovation project, this tool is a good thing to have by your side. Not only is it powerful, but it's also well built and well balanced. It's therefore easy to handle and prevents user fatigue, which can improve your overall experience. Finally, the top product on our list is the Ryobi Airstrike 18V1 Plus Cordless Brad Nailer P320. A corded brad nailer can sometimes be a hassle to have to drag out with its compressor, hose, and gas cartridges, though they can be quite powerful. The Ryobi Airstrike 1 Plus Cordless Brad Nailer can give you the power you need without the need for compressors and all the other implements, allowing you to do small and big jobs without much hassle. This tool is built to provide a powerful performance. It comes with Ryobi's Airstrike technology, which gives you the power of a pneumatic brad nailer in a cordless and low-maintenance tool. You can use the adjustment dial to easily regulate the tool's air pressure to make sure that you get the exact pressure that you need. In general, this tool is designed to be as convenient as possible to use. Not only is it cordless, but it also has a low nail indicator feature that lets you know when you need to reload. Additionally, you can fire up to 700 nails with a single full charge, which can allow you to cover a lot of ground. With all these features, you'll be able to work as efficiently as possible. Overall, this Ryobi brad nailer is a reliable workhorse that you can use for a variety of jobs, regardless of how big or small. This tool is so reliable that it may just end up turning you off of pneumatic brad nailers. Whether you're a professional or a DIYer, this tool is worth both your time and money. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.